Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can accept online donations or payments in Uganda. This process is very simple. Do you have an NGO? Do you have a company and you want to accept online payments? This is the best thing to do. Let's go to Google and search for PesaPal. PesaPal is a company. It's based in Kenya, but it has branches within many countries in Africa. It helps process online payments. You can use it to receive donations directly from your website. So let's go ahead and click on this link. Here it shows Uganda. PesaPal works in all these countries. So since it's in Uganda, if you find it in a different country, please select your country, then go ahead and register. Choose your country, enter your business name, create a username, enter an email address, create a strong password. Make sure you have access to the email address because they will need you to verify it. After entering all your details, go ahead and click Create Business Account. You can save the password. Alright, they tell us our PesaPal business account has been created. An email has been sent to activate your account. Please check your email so that you can verify the account. Let's check the email. Click here. Activate our account. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Once our account is activated, we go back to the previous browser and we go to our dashboard. So now we go ahead and log in. Now, this is our dashboard. Now, if we want to change the organization logo, go ahead and upload a new one here. If you want to create a link where you can accept the donations or payments from, we are going to go here to e-commerce, click on the arrow and click Create Payment Page. Shall log in again. Select your organization name or business name. Then go ahead and create a new payment page. Now enter the name of your organization. Click on Proceed. Enter your address. Choose your country. You can add your website link. Alright, then click on Set Up Page Appearance. You can upload the logo. Let's upload this one. See how it looks here. You can enable this if you want to have a background of a picture right here just behind your logo, but for now I'll leave it like that. Now I want to change this color to match the color of my organization. come and copy the color code, then come and paste it here. Okay, this is what we needed. You can add your social media accounts here. Then later you can select all these so that a donor or someone paying can choose the currency to use. You can enable this if you already have added a bank account so that someone can set it up to always donate on a regular basis. But for now we shall simply finish setup. This is how our page is going to look like, and you confirm setup. Okay, so you can copy this code if you want to embed the donate button in your website, but I would advise using this because it's better. You simply copy the link, go to your website, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to add a button on our website that says donate and links to that payment page. So right here we click on edit and we say donate now, and the link shall paste this with a link and paste it here and publish. So now let's test and see if it works. So come here, click on donate. This is how it will open. Enter your details, choose the currency you want to donate with, enter the amount, give any reason, select this, choose your country, click make payment. This is how it comes. Now select the type of payment you want to use: MTN mobile money, Airtel money, Visa or Easy Money, whichever you want to use. For now, let's test it using Airtel money. Click on proceed after entering your number. Check your phone. If you see a prompt, you can go ahead and put the password. And after approving the payment, it is going to show you that someone has sent in a donation. Okay, so payment has been completed. Now you can check your dashboard. Need to log in again. Let's reload this page. So the money has reflected. Just a few cents are going to be deducted as service fee. So if you want to go ahead and withdraw your money, you're going to have to add your bank details so that the money can go direct to your bank account. To do that, click on withdraw funds and add a bank option in UGX. Enter the bank account, the name on the bank account, the account number and the bank, then click save bank details. You can do the same if you have received donations in US dollars. They will be separated here. This will be UGX, this will be dollars. If you receive in euros, it will also be here. So you will have to create a dollar account and a UGX account to receive your money. This is the easiest way you can receive donations here in Uganda. Thank you for watching. If you need any other explanation, you need a video, you need to ask any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll reply you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to support me. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.